So welcome to Amaya channel. Today application of derivative related questions we are going to solve. MCQ questions we are going to solve. So some will start from level 1, level 2, level 3 questions. So one by one we are going to solve and see how to solve the questions in the most simplest way. Okay. So I'll explain in between. So it will be applicable like the syllabus will be covering for all the cbse board, bihar board, all can learn and all can be able to solve the questions. So without wasting time, shall we start the work? So first question is the equation of tangent at -4 minus 4. So what is exactly given to you? They are telling that what will be the equation of the tangent? Means a curve is there. Like a story, try and understand. A curve is there. Okay. Now what they are wanting from you, they are telling that the curve is exactly always touching the tangent, means at one contact point will be there between the curve and the tangent. Okay, so that contact point, shall we consider that contact point as p x1 and y1. Okay, and that contact point will be the common contact point between the tangent, normal and the curve. All the three will have that common contact point, and that contact point we are considering as p. Okay, now first information over. Now what is all given in the question? They are telling that find the equation of the tangent. So that means this is the tangent line. So we have to get the equation of this tangent line. So equation of the line. So here that means one work is, we have understood one very important thing, that we have to get the equation of this tangent line. Now point curve equation given is x square equal to minus 4y, and contact point is given as this one. So now one by one we are exactly going to solve this question by understanding the concept. So first what is given to you? The equation of the curve is given as x square. So one more time I'll see the question what is given. Okay, x square equal to minus 4y. X square is equal to minus 4y. So x square equal to minus 4y is the equation of the curve given. Now the contact point between the tangent, normal, and this is exactly p, and it is coming as minus 4 and minus 4. So they have given this contact point minus 4 and minus 4. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to get this equation of this tangent line. So now one by one, step by step I'll be explaining what you have to do. First, take the equation of the curve. Take it. Now differentiate it. So 2x equal to minus 4 dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 2x by minus 4, and that is equal to minus x by 2. So now we got dy by dx, but we have to get the slope at that particular point, because slope is exactly given, but slope at a particular point. And what point we are talking about? We are talking about the point which is common between the tangent, curve and the normal. Okay, so that means what point we are talking about? The slope of the tangent at point P, because P is that point which is common between all the three. So we are going to take it as minus 4 and minus 4. This point is there. So once we are talking about that point, that means this point is capable of satisfying equation of tangent also, equation of normal also, and this point is capable of satisfying the equation of curve also. मतलब कि वो तीनों को satisfy करने के लिए काफी है. Okay, so it means काफी नहीं, मतलब वो उसको satisfy करता है. That is the solution. It will become the solution of all the three. Okay, so what we are going to do? So directly if it is satisfying, that means we can substitute the value of x here. So this point value, this minus 4, we can substitute. So once we are substituting it, so here x value is coming as minus 4, minus of minus 4. So it will cancel and it will become 2. So now you got the slope at point P. Once you got the slope at point P, nothing else is needed here, because now you got slope. Now what is the equation of the tangent? You know equation of tangent is equation of tangent requires slope only and the contact point. Okay, so according to the formula, it is coming y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at contact point P x minus x1. So this is what? This is nothing but the equation of the tangent. So now contact point है क्या? The contact point is P and x1 y1. ये जो contact point P है उसका x1 y1 value इतना हुआ ना, because it is satisfying. So definitely it is satisfying means it is a point on the line which is exactly touching the curve at this touching the curve. Okay, so उसको यहाँ तक ही लो. So minus of minus 4 equal to 2 x minus of minus 4. Okay, so now y plus 4 equal to 2x plus 8. So 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. So ये जो कर्व है वो टच कर रहा है इस इक्वेशन को, टेंजेंट को at this point only. So this is exactly the equation of the tangent. 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 कहाँ पे है? This is the fourth answer. So fourth answer is going to be the correct answer. Okay, so now go for the next question. The equation of tangent to the curve, this one. So now this time what they are telling that कि one curve is there. Now we are going to solve this question and we'll try to understand this question. So one curve is there. Okay, fine. So now the curve equation given to you is, what is the equation of the curve given to you? The equation of the curve given to you is y equal to b e to the power minus x by a. Y equal to b e to the power minus x by a. So this is the equation of the curve given to you. Okay. Now what they are telling you in the question that the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to this at a point where it crosses y axis. So 100% the curve is crossing y axis at a point. Okay, find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. First try and understand equation of the tangent to the curve at a point where the curve is crossing. At a point where the curve is crossing the y-axis. So we don't know anything. Like a beginner we can solve these type of questions, because now many questions will be coming in our brain that ki now what? Curve is crossing, tangent is crossing, curve and tangent both are crossing y-axis. Many questions will be coming. So why we have to do research in that part? Shall we go for small informations? The tangent is touching y-axis or not? Who wants? But one thing is for sure, and that is given to you, is the curve is exactly touching the y-axis. So when we know one simple information that when anything touches y-axis or any line is touching y-axis, the value of that will x will become 0 there. X will become what? X will become 0 there. So now first we are going to understand the contact point between the curve and the y-axis. That contact point can become the contact point of the tangent and the curve also. Okay. So now we don't know anything. We don't know anything. As a beginner we are solving the question and we are trying to understand that okay, this curve is exactly, one curve is there. We have no information. The curve is exactly going to be touching the y-axis. Okay, so when the curve will be touching the y-axis at that particular point, rough sketch we are doing. We know, we have no idea it is first quadrant, second quadrant. Who wants to know? We are like okay, we have to just understand in our own way. So since the curve is touching the y-axis, at that point where it is touching the y-axis, x value will become 0. Okay, so now here this is the equation of the curve. Now the moment the curve will touch this point, the equation x value will become 0. So what will be the value of y? Come on, what will be the value of y? So b e to the power minus 0 by a. So y will be equal to b e to the power 0. So y will be equal to b, because e to the power 0 is nothing but 1. So now here we are getting the contact point between the curve and the y-axis. Fine. So now next important thing is कि if this is the contact point between the curve and the y-axis, then that can be the contact point between the curve and the tangent also. God knows, we don't know. First we will find the slope and then we will try, because we have to get the equation of the tangent. Don't forget, your basic point is the question itself, and the question says that find the equation of the tangent. Okay, so now shall we go to find the equation of the tangent first? So now what we have to do here? So one small work we have to do, very small work, that is differentiate this one. So b e to the power minus x by 8. So in differentiation you will be doing, it will become dy by dx. b will be as it is. E to the power minus x by a will give you minus this e to the power minus x by a, differentiation given. Now this slope will have, this slope means we are exactly finding that this will be exactly the slope at a point P. Now we are wanting to get the slope at this point P. So this point P only I am considering that this is the point where the tangent is also touching the curve. Okay, so that means slope at point P. Slope at point P if I am wanting, that means P point is having exactly 0 comma this. So shall we substitute this one? So it is exactly coming as minus b by a e to the power again 0 by a, which is giving us minus b by a. So slope at this point is coming as this much. Jackpot here. After this what we need? We need equation of tangent only. And what will be the equation of tangent? Y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at this contact point P and x minus x1. So now that means what? Here now conclusion section. Conclusion section means we took a curve, we allowed the curve to touch the y-axis. Once it is touching, what is happening? The point we are getting. Once we are getting that point, we are considering that point as the common contact point between the tangent line, curve and y-axis. Okay, we just considered that one, and the moment we considered, we got slope, and once we got slope, after that the equation is there. So y minus b equal to minus b by a x minus 0. Now we have to just see, are we getting the correct equation of the tangent or not? It will become ay minus ab equal to minus bx. So now ay plus bx, okay, minus AB equal to 0. Now we don't know what is the correct answer. So shall we go and check? So here AY plus BX. So if we will be shifting it, because one equation is looking very similar like that. So first work is we will be just trying to shift this one down so that we can get the perfect answer. So AY plus BX equal to AB. Shall we divide both sides by AB? The moment we are going to divide both sides by AB, now AY by AB plus BX by AB equal to 1. So A cancel, B cancel. So X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. Come on, it is, I think you know what is this. Okay, so now ellipse, huh? So x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So equation answer will be coming as, fourth one will become the correct answer. So this answer is coming, we got this answer only now. Come on, have a checking point here. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. We got the correct answer. Okay, now shall we go for the next question? Now what they are asking in the next question, they are telling that the point at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to this one. You have to find the contact point. No other thing. The point at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to this. So now next point given to you is, they are telling that what will be the common contact point between the tangent and the curve so that the tangent is parallel to a line. Jackpot. Why? Because they only asked you to find this point, which we don't know. They have given equation of curve also. So they have given equation of curve. So let's write the equation of the curve. What is the equation of the curve given to you is y equal to 2x square minus x plus 1. Y equal to 2x square minus x plus 1. This is the equation of the curve given to you. This is the common contact point between the tangent and the curve. And they told that one more important information they have given that, and that is y equal to 3x plus 9 is the y equal to 3x plus 9 is the equation of the line which is parallel to the tangent. Now you have to just find this common contact point between the tangent and the curve. So what we are going to do? Nothing. Trust me, nothing. First, small work we are going to do. That is, this is the equation of the line which is parallel to the tangent. So we know that what will be the slope of this? Slope will be 3. Now what will be the slope of this one? What will be the slope of this one? The slope also will be 3. If somebody will be asking how the slope of these two will become equal, then you just say that, hey, how can't the slope will be equal? Why can't the slope will be equal? Because they are parallel. It is already given then that the equation of the tangent means the tangent is parallel to this line. So now we got slope as 3. Jackpot. Now differentiate equation of the curve. So now y dy by dx equal to 2 to the 4x minus 1. Now slope at this point. So what we are going to do? Dy by dx at p point is exactly given to you as 3. So 3 equal to 4x minus 1. So now 3 plus 1, 4 equal to 4x. So x is coming as 1. So 100% you can write it as x1 also. So at point P, x1, y1. So you can write it as x1, x1. So now once you got x1 value and x1 value is coming as 1, then how to get y1? Because this common contact point or the point which is common for the curve and the equation of the tangent, this point is also present on curve. So I told you na ki this point will satisfy equation of curve also, equation of tangent also, and equation of normal also. So just pick this point and throw this point in equation of curve, and let's see the magic what it is exactly going to do. So now this point x1 value already you know, y value you don't know, so we have to find. So y1 equal to 2 into x1 value. So at p x1 y1, equation of curve will become what? Equation of curve will become what? Nothing here, just substitute this one, this minus 1 plus 1. So y1 is coming as 2. So now you have the contact point as 1 comma 2. That's it. This is the contact point. Nothing else you have done. You just use the given information very nicely. In this chapter, tangents and normal, nothing you have to do. If you have informations about tangents, if you have informations about normal, you will be able to solve any level questions with much ease. Okay.